People keep saying AI is going to replace emergency physicians. That's the wrong fear, and it's distracting us from the real risk. I work in emergency medicine. I oversee clinical operations. I review cases after the fact, and I work with AI tools directly. So let's slow this down and be precise. The myth is that AI replaces doctors by becoming smarter than them. The reality is that's not how replacement actually happens. Emergency medicine isn't pattern recognition alone. It's incomplete data, time pressure, conflicting priorities, and moral responsibility. AI is bad at that. What AI is good at is quietly removing parts of the job that physicians use to control: documentation, triage logic, utilization review, decision framing. When those pieces are externalized, physicians lose leverage before they lose jobs. Let me be more specific. Right now, AI is being embedded into EHRs to generate clinical documentation. That sounds helpful. And in the short term, it is. But over time, when documentation is automated, the question becomes, who controls the narrative of what happened in that patient encounter? It's no longer just the physician's clinical judgment. It's the algorithm's interpretation of the data inputs. The same thing is happening with triage. AI-assisted triage tools are being marketed as decision support. But once those tools are in place, the institution starts to rely on them. And when something goes wrong, the question isn't, what did the physician think? It's, what did the algorithm say? This is how leverage erodes. Not because AI is smarter, but because AI becomes the system's memory, the default logic, the decision framework that everyone else refers to. And here's what makes this dangerous. Most physicians won't notice it happening until the shift is already complete. So if you're worried about replacement, stop asking whether AI can think like you. Start asking whether you understand how it's being embedded into your workflow. Ask who controls the tool. Ask what data is trained on. Ask what happens when it's wrong. Because the risk isn't that AI replaces emergency physicians. The risk is that physicians become operators of systems they don't control. This video is part of a series on AI and emergency medicine. I'll keep breaking these down.